What a Mopar here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, two-door hardtop, purple-white combination, white vinyl top, riding on Krager SS wheels. Underneath the hood, 440 V8 with approximately 500 miles on it since it was rebuilt. Bored 40 over, and that is paired up with a 727 automatic transmission. You take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlight surrounds, bright work, nice condition. Paint shows its age just a little bit, few touch-ups here and there, but overall still shows nicely. If you want to take to any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows, this one will turn some heads. Sounds good. We'll start it up here at the end of the video. Let you check out that engine bay here at Run. But if you'd like to see the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, interior, underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. You take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. This car was originally built in the Los Angeles, California plant. It was a California car. White vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console. Everything looking pretty stock on the dash. Did not have the radio power up and work, FYI. Power steering, power brakes also equipped on this car. And you'll see that when we get the hood off. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the rear bumper. Chrome looks good in this car, as you can see. Dual exhaust. Taillight surrounds also in nice shape. Don't always see them that nice on these cars. Take a look at that one also, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures, every angle of this car. And that's at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link. Once again, down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side of this. You can see those panels. Pretty straight, long body panels on a 69 Roadrunner. When I was talking about the paint a little bit ago and just some of the touch-ups, little spot like this here, if you can even see it, there you go, kind of get it to show up there. A few spots like that down on this door. So, I mean, nothing crazy, terrible, anything like that. Just want to point it out to you again. Check it out in the still pictures. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. Let's see, anything else I want to mention on this? Underneath the hood, you're going to see it has a serpentine belt system when we get that open. Compressor for AC is there and set up on it, but not finished as far as with the plumbing. Door panels. Seats really pretty much free of rips, tears, much anywhere. Front and rear. Headliner. All right. Let's go ahead, start this up. No choke on it. Pump the gas a couple times. There we go. At the top of the dash, if you can see that, good shape. And again, it was not a factory AC car, but when we pop that hood open, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sorry about the glare from the lights there. One thing that was noted by the techs too, in-op on the wipers on the radio were too. I also noticed as far as the tack, it's not working, so I'll give you the heads up on that. Horn was though. Got the beep beep horn. Check out that center console. Of course, 727 automatic shifter down there. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 440. Sounds good. Listen to that. again, approximately 500 miles, give or take, on that build. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front to take a little look at this hood. Now, we do have 446 back on the hood. You're going to find out when we get this off, there's no 6-pack on it. Just want to be aware of that too. It does say that on the vent, but we'll get the hood off so you can see the engine bay. There are the 4 pins you can see. It's a fiberglass hood. It's going to lift off. For shows, there are stanchions that could sit on for the shows, and those will be in the trunk. They're actually aluminum. I have it laying right there. But let me get this hood off so you can check out that engine bay and see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, with the hood off. And there are the hood rods, so you could have it up elevated at car shows. They're made out of aluminum. They'll be in the trunk. So, serpentine belt system, and again, power steering, power brakes. You can come over here, you can see they do have the compressor for AC on there and set up, not completed, not finished as far as the rest of the components. Electronic ignition, like a street fire. Headman headers. Obviously a little Edelbrock dressed up with the valve covers, the air cleaner cover. That gives you an idea underneath the hood. Sounds good. A little bit of a low beat cam in there. Remember, it was bored 40 over, approximately 500 miles on that engine rebuild. There you go, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, 2-door hardtop. Good looking color combination with that white vinyl top. White interior, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.